branding and identity are all around us. On websites and product packagings, different types of advertising, even on personal items like documents and business cards. Simply, branding is what other people think about you, your company, your product and your services. Visual identity is more important. Understanding the visual identity can help more about your product and take fine decisions. Visual identity is a kind of preview of your brand. Every element can work together to show exactly what your brand is about. Some companies use a style guide to keep their brand looking consistent. The main components of visual identity are: number 1, logo; number 2, color; number 3, typography; number 4, images. Let's explore in detail. Number 1. Logo. Logo, which identifies your brand, your work, type, design and about. Most effective logos tend to be very simple. Something you can recognize and remember. Every element of your logo contributes to your brand identity, including font choice, colors and images. Changing one of the elements can have a big impact on your brand. Proceed. The logo is a not little brand. It's help you people can recognize you and identify your brand and product. The logo is pixelated, the stored into the font too small to read, could give a wrong impression. Keep a master copy that has a sharp and high quality. Number 2. Color. Color helps to define your brand in a very powerful way. Not only does it make a strong impression on the viewer, it also creates a sense of unity. Most brands use their main colors directly from their company logo. Additional colors can help examine the power and define the personality and style. Number 3. Typography. Text is one of the simple aspects of identity. Most brands choose one or two fonts inspired by the logo for basic everyday use. Creative fonts should also help and should reflect very neat and visual identity. There are certain fonts that professionals know to avoid. Some fonts that once popular but now considered as outdated and overused. Number 4. Images. Images are a very huge part to building a unique identity. Every photo, graphic, icon, and button changes the showcase of your brand. In professional setting, images are specially created for the brand. Coincident pictures are in catalog or in the graphic. Most importantly, avoid images that feel generic and obviously staged. Avoid images that lack contrast or frequently other brand designs. Instead, choose it seems genuine. To the clarification of your brand, you should know exactly what colors, fonts and images to use. Summary. In this video we discussed branding and identity. 1. Logo. 2. Color. 3. Typography. 4. Images.